Hi guys, Carly here, and today we're finally filming another behind-the-scenes senior portrait session. I'll be using my Sony a7 III with my 55mm 1.8, and I'll be using this lens for the entire session. So, hope you enjoy. Let's pull your hair in front. Maybe put your legs together. Get closer. Cute. Okay, now scoot in the middle of the step. And then I'll have you lean like all the way forward. Perfect. Smiling with your teeth. I'll have you stand now on the outside of this. You can maybe go like this, hand in back pocket.
Okay.
Maybe the far side put in front though. Perfect. So pretty. Smiling with your teeth. Okay, I'm gonna have you lean against the fence here. You can maybe put one hand down, or if this is comfortable. Let's bring the far side here in front. So usually whatever side that you're on, or like whatever side I'm on of you, I always wanna see your neck. And let's do maybe a loophole. Or yeah, that's good. So pretty. Okay, I'll have you sit right where you are. Let's lean into the fence now. Maybe just bring that hand down. Perfect. Smiling with your teeth. And then maybe face that way and put your hands in your back pocket and then look over your shoulder at me. Drop your shoulders a little. Now smiling. Let me get close. Perfect. Lovely. I'm gonna have you stand right here now, and then I'm gonna have you walk. So when you're walking, you're gonna like look that way, look down, laughing, smiling. Okay, look around, look down, look at me. So cute. Okay, I'll have you go right here now. Maybe like one kind of on this little ledge. Oh, I love this. Now I'll have you lean like this.
Okay.
Oh, so cute. Okay, real smile. I'm gonna have you right on this curb here. Cute. Real smile. Stay there. Okay, now bring your knees tight and let's do both elbows. Maybe like one hand like kind of farther back and one hand maybe to your head. Let's go back a little farther on your head side, yep. So pretty. Real smile. Have you lean right up against this and then put your hand on your elbow and then kind of rest your fingers to your mouth. Kind of grab your waist with the other hand though. Yep, perfect. And then turn your head a little bit more towards me and almost like just stagger your fingers. You get what I mean? Like shake it out and then just go like this. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have you lean against this gray wall like this. You can just extend your arms. I'll be on your side. Real smile. Perfect. Now I'm gonna have you lean forward like this. Okay. It looks good though. Okay, smiling. Perfect. Now I'm gonna have you right here. I'm gonna have you walk again.
Okay.
I wanna do it at an angle though, so I'll have you start here.
Okay.
Walking this way. Okay, start walking, look around, look down. Oh, so good though. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna have you right on this step over here. So pretty. Real smile. And then you can kind of extend that front, the one, yep. And then can you reach or is it a stretch?
Like this?
Yeah. Pretty. Chin down just a little. Real smile. I'm gonna have you stand right in the center. Let's have you just bring your hand to your collarbone just like that. Kind of flip that back, yep. Good. Grab your waist with the bottom hand. Maybe just turn a little bit more. Yep. Perfect. Let's do both hair in front. Oh yeah. There's the light. So, a real smile. Let's. And then smiling at your shoulder with your teeth. Such a. Yeah, this is pretty though. Real smile. Perfect. I'm gonna have you stand right here. Let's do back pocket, face that way. And then look over your shoulder, flip all your hair back. Smiling. Okay, now laugh at mom. Cute. Perfect. And then just get this side out of your neck. Yep. Perfect. Have this spin a little this way. And then I'll have you do like one hand to your temple there. Yeah, go back a little. Yeah. Okay, smiling. Let's tilt a little. And you can just, and then turn chin down just a little. Smiling. Just bend it. It's ruining the shot. Real smile. And then tilt this way. Let's maybe keep that hand on your knee there. Yeah, that's pretty. I'm gonna have you just standing and maybe let's bunch up the side a little and then turn. Smiling. Kind of hide that other hand on the side of you. Yeah. Oh, so beautiful. Chin down just slightly. Let's do like maybe one hand to the collarbone and then just a little bunch. Yeah, really pretty. Down and back, and then smiling at me. Now just a little walk, like take 3 steps, looking at me. Kind of bring your head back, like if you were really looking behind you. Eyelashes really low. And then let's turn all the way to your side. Look down to that shoulder. And then just grab your waist like this. And then can we fake a laugh at Steven maybe? Perfect. Okay. Head back a little, tilted, yes. Real smile. Here, try and not put so much weight on that arm and bring it more to your side. Yes, pretty. Look down to that shoulder, smiling at me. Perfect. Yeah, just link arm. Okay, now look at each other. So cute. Perfect. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Something bit me.